Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're talking about this model, which is Ralph Lauren RA7044, and it's sleek and elegant. I think it's very chic. It's sophisticated, but since they have a lot of colors, they're playful as well. This, for example, is dark Havana with aquamarine on the inside, which is so cute. I really like them. These glasses have a full frame and are suitable for many different types of face shapes. We have the aquamarine one, we have the dark Havana yellow, and our final color option is pink turquoise, which is cute and fun. I think it's very young as well. And as you know, you can find all our models and colors on our website, which you can pick your own prescription, so it's suitable for you. And we have different types of lens coatings, for example, the blue cancelling light one and the transition one. Thank you so much for listening, and please leave a like, leave a comment, tell me which one suits me better, and thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.